DIKWP 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered how AI can truly understand and act on purpose? Forget just crunching numbers. We're talking about a model that gives AI a soul, or at least a very sophisticated one. It's called DIKWP, and it's changing the game. So, what's this DIKWP magic? Think of it as AI's five-finger grip on understanding. First, it grabs raw data, the D. Then, it processes it into information, the I. Next, it reasons using knowledge, the K. It makes smart decisions based on wisdom, the W. And crucially, it always keeps its eyes on the purpose, the P. This isn't just a stack, it's a network where each layer talks back to the others. The big win? That top layer, purpose, makes AI not just do things, but understand why it's doing them. Suddenly, that mysterious black box AI becomes a transparent white box, ready for us to understand and guide its actions. This is the key to making AI trustworthy and aligned with our values. Now, you might think this is just some cool academic idea. Nope. Big players are taking notice. The ISO/IEC, the folks who set global standards, have already included DIKWP in their latest Smart City report, TR 25005-2:2025. They're using it as a blueprint to turn vague ideas like data interoperability into concrete steps. Even better, China is pushing for a full ISO standard built around DIKWP. Over at IEEE, working on explainable AI, they're developing similar layered explanations. Guess what? It lines up perfectly with DIKWP. And the ITU, the telecom giant, is talking up semantic governance at their AI for Good summit, even citing DIKWP as a leading example. This isn't just happening, it's being formally adopted and pushed into international standards. How did this happen? China has a clever plan. It's playing two games at once. At home, they're building real-world labs, think Hainan Free Trade Port and Xiong'an New Area, where DIKWP is put to the test in smart cities and governance. These aren't just pilots, they're proving grounds. Simultaneously, internationally, they're pushing hard for DIKWP to become the global standard through ISO, IEEE, and ITU. They're not just submitting papers, they're proposing entire frameworks. Key concepts like the semantic bus, a central hub for unified data, and the purpose-driven engine, embedding human goals into AI decisions, are core to this strategy. The goal? To establish a common language for AI that respects different cultures while enabling global cooperation. It's about gaining influence by offering a practical solution. And this isn't just for shiny smart cities. DIKWP's potential is huge. Imagine digital government departments actually talking to each other seamlessly. Medical AI that explains its diagnosis step by step, from data to doctor's purpose. Farmers getting personalized advice based on global best practices, thanks to shared semantic models. Factories becoming truly cognitive, optimizing production intelligently. This is the vision, a semantic civilization era where diverse systems communicate and collaborate effectively because they share a common understanding. DIKWP is the key. Keep an eye on this space. It's shaping the future of AI governance globally.